Mushroom is one of my favorite ingredients owing to the factor that it can be prepared in n number of ways, and today I'll share the recipe of a very quick and very flavorful mushroom fried rice. It is a lifesaver for those who are always in a hurry, and the taste is so awesome, and believe me, it can be prepared within 15 to 20 minutes. Restaurant style mushroom fried rice in Soos Food Corner style. Do enjoy this recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Soos Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you are new to this page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with the recipe. Here I have taken long grain basmati rice around 300 grams. I will not pre-soak it. I'll just wash it 2 to 3 times and then I'll use it. I'll cook it in pressure cooker. So here I have taken a pressure cooker and I've washed the rice, and I'll add it to the cooker and I'll add around 1.25 glass of water. It is the same glass in which I have measured my rice, and I'll just need to cook it for one whistle in high flame and wait till it naturally reaches its pressure. So in the time our rice cooks, we'll just prepare the base of our fried rice. So here comes the first whistle, and now I'll allow it to cool. Meanwhile, I'll heat a wok here, preferably a wok because this makes the cooking easier in a Chinese recipe. To it, I'll add 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Make sure you do the process when the wok is nicely heated, and when it's done, I'll first add finely chopped green chilies around 1 tablespoon. You can alter the amount according to your taste, and then goes finely chopped garlic around 2 tablespoons. Just give it a nice toss for 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds, I'll add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, and if you have spring onions, you can add 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onions. Now mix all the ingredients. Make sure you do this whole process on high heat, because if you lower the temperature, the ingredients will start to lose their moisture. We just want it to be a good nice stir fry. So temperature holds a very important place in stir fry dishes. So this is looking good now. I have taken a sliced mushrooms around 400 grams. These are button mushrooms, and this goes once the onions are done. Just for 1 minute cook it on high flame, and then I'll add the mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, and on high flame again toss it for good 3 to 4 minutes till the mushrooms are nicely stir fried. First, initially the mushrooms release their moisture, and gradually once they start cooking, they will turn dry. Meanwhile, when my mushroom is cooking, we'll just check it on a rice and see the pressure is released. I'll just open this fish cooker and just wait for 10 seconds till the excess steam goes out, and you can see how beautifully my rice is cooked. We have just cooked it for one whistle, and I'll use a fork so that I can scrape it from the sides in this way. This will allow the excess steam to escape and the rice will not be overcooked, and I'll just show you how nicely beautifully my rice grains are done. It's perfect for a fried rice. And meanwhile, my mushrooms are looking good now. They have dried up. Just give it a nice mix. See, all the moisture of the mushrooms have dried up. At this stage, we'll add the seasoning. I'll add here around 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Soya sauce not only gives a nice color but also very good flavor, a rice rustic zing it gives to this dish. And very few ingredients will use. First, I'll use 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Then vinegar I'll use around 1 tablespoon. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or the regular one. You can always use brown sugar. It also gives color and taste. Now give it a nice mix. Everything will be balanced, and make sure the temperature of this work should be high. And at this stage, I'll add the cooked rice. You can see this stage is perfect to add the rice. It's nicely stir fried, and there goes my rice. Give it a nice mix. All the flavors of mushroom will be nicely inculcated in rice. And then check the seasoning, because we have already added soya sauce, and then we'll add rest of the seasoning. Then goes black pepper powder around half teaspoon, and red chili flakes you can add according to your taste around half teaspoon, or you can reduce the amount. And salt, as I said, soya sauce always contains salt, so just check the seasoning before adding salt, and give it a nice mix on high flame. If you want to enhance the flavor, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter at this stage, but I have skipped it. But again, it's your personal choice. And very fast, very quickly, I have prepared this beautiful mushroom fried rice. The combination of garlic with chilies, butter and oil give an awesome flavor to this fried rice, and it's looking great. So let's serve this. and I'll serve this mushroom fried rice. You can see how beautiful it's looking. It's moist, it's perfectly stir fried, the grains are perfect with right consistency of mushroom, and the color and flavor are just awesome. And with it I have prepared a cauliflower Manchurian. This is a classic dish. It's a semi gravy dish I prepared. Sometimes I'll share this recipe. So do enjoy this recipe, and as I said, totally it takes around 15 to 20 minutes from the initial process, from making of rice to completing this fried rice. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page and tap the bell button. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.